I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. Sometimes I see equal candles but uneven energy. The side with effort but no progress always loses. Volume tells me who's wasting strength. That's how I choose which side to trust. Effort without result means exhaustion. Here let's open a long trade. Let's highlight the working area again and we will open in the direction of the trend again. Look, we had a long pullback here, a pretty good pullback, and the movement touched the lower moving average. Here we see from the RSI that the movement has left the oversold area. Why not open in line with the trend? We also see upward movement in the RSI here. Accordingly, we open in line with the trend and see our overall picture. If you want real trading knowledge, not luck, you're in the right place. In my Sawyer community, you'll get free access to practice sessions on live markets, simple lessons that explain every move, verified signals with 70% plus win rate, just free education and real profit. Join to my Telegram channel below. I am pleased with the result. And in last seconds our trade will close in profit. The mistake most traders make is guessing reversals. They see a red candle and think it's a trend change, but one candle never defines direction. Structure does. I wait for confirmation, pullback, reaction, continuation. That's where clarity begins. Let's open a long trade right here, why not? I don't think there is anything wrong with that. I think the moment will move higher. Let's highlight the working area. This is a very interesting entry point. We see a very strong price pullback and then we see a touch of the lower moving average. We are very confident that the RSI is exiting the oversold zone, so I think we should definitely open a long trade here. We also have a good touch point. Overall, let's watch the outcome. The candle has already provided its main moment, so the trade could close at this level, more or less, and in theory this is possible and should be expected. We have 10 seconds left and so far I am completely satisfied with the movement of this candle. The most important thing is that there wasn't a downward impulse in the final seconds. It didn't happen and the trade smoothly in profit. After all these years, I stopped seeking signals. Now I just look for truth in price, because direction isn't found, it's felt. When analysis meets peace, trading becomes art, and every minute candle tells a story worth listening to. False moves are part of the game. They appear strong but lack foundation. I filter them by watching speed. Fast but thin moves collapse fast. True direction has depth and stability. I wait for the market to prove its intent. If you want to learn trading properly, start with the right environment. Inside my Sawyer community, you receive full access to free practice in Telegram, structured trading materials, and daily trading signals with a verified 70% win rate. Everything is explained clearly, step by step, so you can understand logic behind every move, not just follow blind entries. Join now and begin building really trading skill from day one.